Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 626 Westchester Avenue in the North Whitton Village area of Rochester. It's a charming Cape Cod with amazing space, so let's take a tour. You'll love this home with traditional character blended with modern updates. The beautiful hardwood floors and fireplace are a hallmark of this home. Imagine cooking in the white and bright eat-in kitchen. This 3-bedroom home features a separate bedroom wing for privacy with an adjacent updated bathroom. A partially finished lower level is great for additional living space with a full bathroom, plus a secret wine cellar area. While the upstairs features the 3rd bedroom with a cedar closet and a bonus room or 4th bedroom. This charming Cape Cod includes a spacious patio, fenced-in yard, and garage. All located on a beautiful sidewalk-lined street, minutes away from popular North Whitton Village, Park Avenue, Irondequoit Bay, and the city of Rochester. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 626 Westchester Avenue in the North Whitton Village area of Rochester. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!